Fleetwood Sound has announced their brand new Excelsior wireless speaker. Now, this is an incredible wireless speaker simply because I think this is the most expensive wireless speaker I've seen around. This thing is a beast and it actually is priced like that. The price of this new Fleetwood Sound Excelsior is 19,200 dollars. It's crazy. That's the craziest price tag I've seen for a wireless loudspeaker. Most of the time they are not this crazy over the top priced, but this is one of the most expensive wireless speakers that you can find right now. So what's happening is that Fleetwood claims that this is the world's finest built and most expensive tabletop all-in-one wireless speaker that has everything that you probably would want in a wireless speaker. They go on to claim that the Excelsior building is on the foundation of the company's legendary designs of their top of the line speakers, and then they actually put or like transcend most of those things that they've made from their previous models down to this Excelsior, and is going to join a growing number of wireless power speakers that is going to be compared to brands like PSB, Bowers and Wilkins, Sonos Faber, ELAC, Triangle, Dyn Audio, as well as KEF. So this is just really, really, really good. Now, in terms of construction, from what is being reported here, is that the speakers are made out of a solid 1 inch thick oak. Actually, it's a wooden design, but it has this cast aluminum and paper folic design to it as well. Fleetwood Sound says that the Excelsior is one of the most well-made loudspeakers that you can find in terms of the solid nature of its construction. It's one of the strongest speakers that has very good exterior build. That is one thing that they took their time to make, and they go on to say that the Excelsior incorporates a unique speaker driver layout, which includes the woofers that are 6 inches in size and diameter. That is also going to incorporate a neodymium magnet with additional support through flex loading front vertical vents. There is also the fact that you get high and mid-range frequencies that are handled by the Tweeter compression driver horn. That it's really, really good. Now, in terms of input sources, the Excelsior can accept virtually any wireless or wired audio input source, including a your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, phono, USB, Ethernet, analog line, digital, and is also going to include a built-in digital analog converter. So this is one thing you will get with this beast. The Excelsior incorporates a single, actually, it's very simple one dial control that acts as a controller for all that functions. On the speakers as well. So in fact, it will control your volume and input selectors as well. So it will act as that. Now, in terms of its design, it has an upgradable modular design to it. A modular electronics architecture ensures the Excelsior will never be obsolete. Fleetwood claims that the owners can upgrade it without any sophisticated tooling. Now, all the key circuits are assembled behind a removable rear plate. Each circuit board, or even your DAC, your Bluetooth phono stage, can be simply popped in and popped out. So they made this thing to last you for a really, really long time. This is why they made it. In fact, this thing is just good. Now, in terms of how much it weighs 55 pounds. So it's likely going to stay in one place, and you won't even be moving it around that much. It's not so light for you to move around. Now, in terms of sound quality, company says one of the best sounds you can get from any type of loudspeaker. That is insane. That in fact, it can even put out an insane 110 decibels of sound without any distortion. In fact, it can even, at least they claim it can even hit 115 decibels. That's how powerful this thing is. And that's crazy, really, really crazy. They go on to say that you can use this with any of your devices out there, your tablet, your phones. It's just going to work effortlessly. Now, the Excelsior is only available directly from Fleetwood Sound's website, and is going to have a price tag of $19,200. Now, the company also have the premium SQ version, which will sell for $32,000. This is just an incredibly expensive unit, and I'm going to drop details for you guys, so check it out. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.